Hello everyone, welcome to this series on the history of English literature. And in this video, we are going to discuss the novel of ideas and social purpose. Introduction. The turn of the 19th to the 20th century marked a transformative period in literary history, where the novel emerged as a powerful medium for the exploration and dissemination of complex ideas and social commentary. This era witnessed authors leveraging the narrative form to interpret human existence, advocate for social reforms, and challenge prevailing societal norms. Prominent figures such as Thomas Hardy, Joseph Conrad, H.G. Wells, John Galsworthy, and others exemplified the novel's potential to serve as both a mirror and a catalyst for societal change. This video delves into the literary features of the modern age, focusing on how these authors utilized the novel of ideas and social purpose to articulate their philosophies and advocate for transformative social agendas. Thomas Hardy, Philosophy and Artistic Expression. Thomas Hardy stands as a quintessential figure in the discussion of the novel of ideas and social purpose. For Hardy, the novel was an instrument to interpret life through detailed depictions of human existence, aiming to express his philosophical perspectives. In works such as Tess of the D'Urbervilles and Jude the Obscure, Hardy meticulously portrays the struggles and moral dilemmas faced by his characters, reflecting his deterministic worldview and critique of societal norms. However, Hardy's approach has been critiqued for overweighting his case, suggesting that his philosophical assertions sometimes overshadow the artistic elements of his novels. This tension between philosophy and art raises questions about the balance between conveying ideas and maintaining literary craftsmanship. Despite this critique, Hardy's novels undeniably contribute to the novel of ideas by embedding profound philosophical inquiries within engaging narratives, thereby influencing both literary and social discourses of his time. Joseph Conrad, Art Without Sacrifice. In contrast to Hardy, Joseph Conrad offers a nuanced approach to the novel of ideas by striving to interpret life without compromising artistic integrity. Conrad's works such as Heart of Darkness and Lord Jim are celebrated for their intricate narrative structures and psychological depth. Conrad masterfully intertwines his philosophical musings with compelling storytelling, ensuring that his exploration of themes like colonialism, morality, and human psychology does not detract from the artistic quality of his novels. Conrad's ability to maintain a harmonious balance between conveying complex ideas and preserving literary artistry positions him as a paragon of the novel of ideas. His approach demonstrates that it is possible to engage readers intellectually while delivering a captivating and aesthetically pleasing narrative, thereby setting a benchmark for future authors in the modern age. Butler, Wells, and Galsworthy, Social Propaganda and Literary Advocacy. Allied to Hardy's philosophical content are the perspectives of authors like Samuel Butler, H.G. Wells, and John Galsworthy, who viewed the novel as a potent means of social propaganda. These writers harnessed the narrative form to disseminate their ideas on religion, shifting social values, and family life, using their novels to advocate for societal reforms and challenge entrenched norms. Samuel Butler. Samuel Butler, best known for his satirical novel Erewhon, employed the novel to critique societal institutions and conventions. Through a fictional utopia, Butler explores themes of morality, religion, and the implications of technological advancements, encouraging readers to reflect critically on contemporary societal structures. H.G. Wells. H.G. Wells, often dubbed the father of science fiction, utilized the novel to envision and critique future societies. Works like The Time Machine and The War of the Worlds not only entertained but also served as allegories for class struggle, imperialism, and the potential consequences of scientific progress. His speculative narratives provided a framework for discussing and advocating for social reforms, highlighting the novel's role in shaping public consciousness. John Galsworthy. John Galsworthy's The Forsyte Saga intricately weaves social commentary into the fabric of his family saga. By portraying the decline of the Victorian aristocracy and the rise of the middle class, Galsworthy addresses issues of social mobility, economic disparity, and moral decay, using his novels to critique the rigidity and injustices of British society. Other proponents of the novel of ideas. Beyond Hardy, Conrad, Butler, Wells, and Galsworthy, several other authors embraced the novel as a vehicle for social purpose and ideological dissemination. Notable among them are Mark Rutherford, J.D. Beresford, Gilbert Cannon, Olive Schreiner, and Grant Allen. Mark Rutherford, or William Hale White. Mark Rutherford, the pseudonym of William Hale White, authored novels such as The Autobiography of Mark Rutherford, 1881, Mark Rutherford's Deliverance, 1885, and The Revolution in Tanner's Lane, 1887. Rutherford's works often explore themes of personal morality, social responsibility, and the quest for truth, positioning the novel as a medium for introspection and ethical discourse. J.D. Beresford. J.D. Beresford's novels, including The Early History of Jacob Stahl, 1911, and The Invisible Event, 1915, delve into psychological and existential themes. His narratives frequently address issues of identity, perception, and the subconscious, using the novel to probe the complexities of human consciousness and societal influences. Gilbert Cannon. Gilbert Cannon, author of Peter Homunculus 1909 and Round the Corner 1913, utilized his novels to critique social modes and explore themes of morality and human folly. Cannon's prose is marked by its clarity and expressiveness, serving as a platform for his social and philosophical ideas. Olive Schreiner. Olive Schreiner's groundbreaking novel The Story of an African Farm, 1883, is a seminal work in feminist and social literature. Schreiner addresses issues of gender equality, racial discrimination, and individual freedom, positioning the novel as a tool for advocating social change and challenging oppressive structures. Grant Allen. Grant Allen, known for The Woman Who Did, 1895, used his novels to challenge traditional gender roles and advocate for women's autonomy and independence. His progressive themes and outspoken social commentary highlight the novel's capacity to influence societal perceptions and promote ideological shifts. Conclusion. The modern age heralded a pivotal evolution in the novel as a literary form, transforming it into a powerful medium for the exploration and advocacy of ideas and social purposes. Authors like Thomas Hardy and Joseph Conrad demonstrated the novel's capacity to embody philosophical inquiries and maintain artistic integrity, while writers such as Butler, Wells, and Galsworthy leveraged the narrative to propagate social reforms and critique societal norms. Additionally, the contributions of Mark Rutherford, J.D. Beresford, Gilbert Cannon, Olive Schreiner, and Grant Allen further exemplified the novel's role in disseminating diverse ideological perspectives and fostering social change. This era underscored the novel's versatility and significance, affirming its place not merely as a source of entertainment, but as a critical instrument for intellectual and social discourse. The legacy of the modern age's novel of ideas and social purpose continues to influence contemporary literature, demonstrating the enduring power of the novel to reflect, challenge, and shape the human condition. So this was the discussion on the novel of ideas and social purpose in the modern age. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other topic. Until then, goodbye and thank you.